historic win in Delhi Assembly elections, marking the end of a 27-year-long drought. The BJP is now turning its focus on selecting the next Chief Minister of Delhi. With the party securing a significant victory, the High Command has begun deliberations on the candidates for the top post. First up is Parvesh Verma. One of the front-runners for the Chief Minister's position is Parvesh Verma, known for his remarkable victory over former Delhi CM Arvind Kejriwal from the New Delhi constituency. Verma, often referred to as BJP's giant slayer, defeated Kejriwal by a margin of 4,089 votes. However, he has made it clear that the final decision on the CM post rests with the party leadership. Manjinder Singh Sirsa. Another prominent name emerging in the race is Manjinder Singh Sirsa, a key Sikh face in the BJP. Sirsa secured a resounding victory in the Rajouri Garden Assembly seat with more than 18,000 votes. His election could help the BJP consolidate support among the Sikh community both in Delhi and Punjab. Kapil Mishra. Kapil Mishra, who emerged victorious in the Karawal Nagar seat, is also being considered for the CM post. His strong stance on Hindutva issues makes him a favourite among the party's senior leadership. Additionally, Mishra could appeal to the Purvanchal voters in Delhi. Then comes Rekha Gupta. Rekha Gupta, who won the Shalimar Bagh seat with a significant margin of 29,000 votes, is another name gaining traction. Her selection would align with the BJP's focus on empowering women and increasing their political representation. Other candidates include Virendra Sachdeva and Ashish Sood. Delhi BJP chief Virendra Sachdeva, under whose leadership the party made significant strides in Delhi, is also being considered for the role. Similarly, Ashish Sood, who won the Janakpuri seat with a margin of 18,766 votes, is another potential candidate. Now, as the BJP deliberates, several names are in the mix for the position of Delhi's next chief minister, with each candidate bringing unique strengths to the table. The final decision, however, will be made by the party's leadership in the coming days.